Good morning, students. Today we will continue chapter 2 further on Windows 10 desktop management. So already we have discussed about features of Windows 10, like it is very easy to use. Okay, like it's a start button, start menus, search button, search bars. Okay, Microsoft Edges. Also we have studied about the taskbar and its a feature, taskbar, start button, notification area, how to adjust, how to customize the start taskbar. So all about these things already we have discussed. So now today we will study various icons in Windows 10. So there are some icons, which is icons means it is a small picture. Okay, so icon is a small picture that represent an application. What is icon? A icon is a small picture that represents an application, file or folder. So this is the definition of icon. When you double click on the icon, the associated application opens. Means suppose this is the icon of game, any game like Candy Crush, any game is there, its icon. So when you will double click on there, so that application will be open. So there are some various icons. So some icons which is the default icon. Default icon means which come with the system, that is called the system icon. That is we come with the operating system. Some are the folder icons, means like your whatever the folder you have created, their icons will be there. Some system icons means which is come with the operating system. Some shortcut icon, which applications you have installed, so their icon will be there. So that is the shortcut icon. In the shortcut icon you will see there will be this type of arrow will be there. Just left corner side, down corner side, you will see this left arrow will be there. So here we will see the various icons of Windows 10 which come with the Windows, means default icons. Okay, so default icons are there, that we call the system icons. Actually these system icons, the first icon is that this first item icons we can see this PC. This is the icon, system icon, this PC. Computer icon allow you to explore, minus the contents of your computer drives. You can also access the computer from the start menu. So this PC you can also open from the start menu. As I told that start button is the entrance, the door of your computer. From there you can do any changes, you can see, you can find the any programs, you can changes the settings of your computer through the start button. So this PC is the one of the one icon. From there you can explore the your Windows your PC's drives. Next icon you will see this is the document icon. If there is a document, it will look like this. Documents is a personal folder where users store their personal non-shared files like text files, pictures, documents, presentations, etc. Okay, this is the icon of documents. Okay, so you have to see these icons and memorize these icons. Next icon is of the network icon. So there is, you can see this is a network icon. With this you can access file and devices on the different computer that share same network as your of your data transmissions. So this is for the when you are connecting to the internet, so there you can you will see the use of this network icon. Next we have the recycle bin. So recycle bin, when you do not require file or folder, you delete them. You want to delete, so the deleted file and folder goes to the recycle bin. Any file or folder you have deleted, so that is that goes to the where recycle bin. This is the icon of recycle bin. You can always restore them or permanently you can delete. So there are two type of deletion method you will also study. So one is that if you will do the shift plus delete, any things you will do shift plus delete, that will be permanently delete, means you will not see in this recycle bin. Or simply you will delete, so you will see this that item that will be goes to this recycle bin, and from here you can recover also, it means restore that one. This is the application. So this is the application. This icon gives the access to the related application you want to work on. This is the application icon. As I have mentioned, there is a system icon, application icon, folder icon. I have divided into three categories. This is the application icons, like words icon, paint icon, can be like any game icon. So this is up to you, means which type of icon you have created. This is actually this type of icon is the applications icon or word icon, you can say. Next is that shortcut icon. This icon has a small arrow at the bottom left. As I told that in the bottom left you can see this arrow is there, bottom left side. At this corner you can see this type of arrow is there. it contains the direct route to the application of file or folder. This is like Scratch. This is the one of the programming for through this Scratch we are writing the programs. So this is the shortcut icon of the Scratch. So like this is the icons. So how we can differentiate the icons, like the PC icons, that we can see the system icon, document icon, network icon, recycle bin, one of the this is also come under the system icon. Next is your application icon, and this is the shortcut icon. Okay, shortcut icon you can create for the any document or for the any application. You can create the shortcut because that will be used for again and again. So that shortcut icon you can create it. Now next we have customizing the desktop in Windows 10. So now we will customize our desktop. Desktop means what is, as I told that what is desktop, the first screen after the booting you are getting, which is your desktop. So you can customize, like you can color it, you can apply the themes. So here is some customizations which is given the this flexibility, this advantage is available in the Windows 10 that you can do it. So first we will see, first is that take the mouse pointer in the blank area on the desktop and the right click. From that you will you can go to the personalize option. What you have to do, on the blank place of your desktop, simply right click, and you have to right click, and there you will have to go to the personalize option. And I want one more thing I want to add it. These options you can get it from also. You can go to the start button in the control panel. There is option in the start button, as we are doing in the Windows 7 and 8. In the start button there is the, in the Windows 7 there is a start button, control panel, in there is the option personalize option. From that also we can do. Okay, in from the control panel. Actually control panel is any changes like installing program, uninstalling program, so that you can do from that control panel. Okay, and this is the one of the also another method. Simply right click on the your any blank space of your desktop, and there is you can go to the personalize option. So in the personalize option you have to go to the setting, or this setting also you can get it when you will click on the start button of your Windows 10. In the start button there is also the icon of setting. From there also you can go. Here you can change the background color, lock screen, themes, font, start, taskbar. So like here is I want to change the color. So first you click out here, click color, and there after here is the custom. So you can custom it like dark or light, or which colors you want to do. So according to your choice you can select the color. Some colors also you can choose it from here. So that will be this color will be changed. Okay, so on, so likewise by default which color is there, by default there is the blue color is selected. So this is very important. By default it is selected the which color, by default you will see the by default blue color is selected. Okay, in the Windows 10 by default which color is there, blue color. Okay, now next you will see here is that. Now scroll down the title here. Next more things what we can do is scroll down a title further and tick the checkbox. First checkbox for the displaying the accent color on the start. Okay, this is for the color on the start taskbar action center, and the second checkbox display the accent color to the title bar and the window ordered. Okay, so you can see it here. There are two checkbox, which color you have chosen. The first is here, this is the first for the start taskbar and the action center, and the next is for the title bar and windows border. So these colors you want to apply for the for which extent, means like for the which purpose. For the start you want to change the icon color of the start menu taskbar. So you can click on here, checkbox here is there, you can tick it here, so that will be applied there. You want to only want to change for the title bar and windows and borders, so you can tick it here. So likewise you can do it. So after this changes, so you can change the background color, lock screen, these all things you can do one by one. You can select and you can adjust the change, you can adjust its color. Okay, so after that what you will see, you will observe that here is you can see its color has been changed. Earlier it was blue, now you can see its color is changed now. Also if you have changed the taskbar, you can see the taskbar color will be also changed. So these things you can do it. Okay, Now here is, you can see in the quick knowledge, you can change the view of and folders of this PC through this. This is the view means like title, or like bottom wise means how it look like. So this view of this icons you can change it by clicking on it here. Now next, you can see fine tuning of Windows setup. Some tuning means like you can adjust your time date of your computer, that you is also possible. So like changing date and time to the clock of Windows 10 is synchronized clock, but if user want, they can change the date and time according to their wish. Means already it is synchronized, means already it is connected with the internet, and it is updated, time is perfectly displaying. But if you want to change this, so this is your wish, so that you can do also. So what are the steps? First of all, you have to click on the date and time option. In the date and time option means you can see in the setting window also, or simply on the your taskbar also is there, right side you can click on this date and time, or simply on the control panel windows you can go, this option you will get in the control panel window. Date and time, this dialog box, when you will click it here, you will get this dialog box, this window will open. This is the window of date and time, and there you will see that there is a time and date is already there. So here is the change time, here is a change zone. So by clicking on here, you can adjust the it's a time, you can change the zone also. Okay, similarly you can change for the time also. So you can change the calendar, means you can change the date also. So to change the date, click on the change date or time setting. So here is the change calendar setting is there, so you can change its date also. So this all changes means date and time, this you can do. You can go to the control panel section, and there you will change, you will see the change date and time section, and there from that you can do it. Okay, so there is like time fixing, means how you will adjust the time AM PM. So there is a arrow up and down arrow, so by the help of this you can move it like hour or minute or seconds part, you can adjust by the help of this arrow. Now you can adjust this volume also. Setting internal volume means, as I told that there is a this speaker of menus there. Once you will click it here, so this volume lines will be there. Okay, in this volume line, what you can do in this volume line, simply you can adjust by the help of mouse. You can drag it here. So here you will, if you will drag to the left side, it will be decrease. You will drag to the right side, the volume will be increase. So from there you can adjust the it's the volume, means the system volume of your computer. Got it? Now next is your, here you can see, if you want to see the properties of your computer, like properties of computer means what is about your computer you want to know, simply right click on your this computer, this PC icon. On this means you have to bring your mouse cursor on this PC and click the right click. By the help of your mouse you click the right click, then you can see this option is there, is one option is there, properties. So this option will tell you about your computer, what is the specification of your computer, what is the size of hard disk, what processor is used, what graphics is used, which operating system, when it was built. So everything about the computer you can see. Simply right click on this icon, this PC, and you can see it. Okay, so you will see this option, this particular dialog box. You will see this option when you will click on this PC. Maybe any folder or any icon you will click, you will get the another options, or simply on the blank place you will click, so you will get this type of menus, this type of menus you will get. And some more shortcut you have to write into copy and learn it. To create a new folder, what is the shortcut key? It's the shortcut key is shift plus control plus n, shift plus control plus n. By the help of keyboard you can shift plus control plus n you will press, so you will get the you can create a new folder. So shortcut key for new folder, shift plus control plus n. And one more shortcut key to close your any file. So what is the shortcut key? Alt plus F4. Okay, some more shortcuts key like if you want to copy. Okay, so copy any file. So what is the shortcut key? So you control plus C. Okay, control plus C for the paste. So what is the shortcut key? Control plus B. Okay, for like cut. Okay, so what is the shortcut key? Control plus X. Okay, so likewise you have to for the select all. Okay, for like a select all. So what is the shortcut key? It's a shortcut key is control plus A. Okay, like save. So save, its a shortcut key is control plus S. Okay, so these are the shortcuts key you have to write in your copy and learn it. Okay, here is some shortcuts key I have given for the copy, paste, cut. Okay, for like select all, save, and one more like undo. Okay, undo means whatever the is you have executed and you want to roll back, so for this you can do control plus Z. Okay, for like a redo, just opposite means again means you want to do the same thing, so like for control plus Y. So you have to write these all shortcuts key in your copy and learn it. Okay, and this here is also two shortcuts keys given. Here is in the quick here is two like here you can see they have given their shortcut key. Yeah, here is that to close the file, alt plus F4, and one more is here to create a new folder, shift plus control plus N. Okay, so here is the quick revision of this one. Like a Windows 10 is a GUI, graphical user interface. Windows 10 is a product of multinational company called Microsoft. Windows 10 is a combination of some of best feature of Windows 7 and 10. So likewise this chapter review is there, so once again you go through it and read it thoroughly and try to understand it once again. Okay.